Right, so I managed to get this PS2 Slim to at least power on a bit. Well, not power on, but for the red light to come on. Hopefully it's working. Haven't put it back together yet. I broke the fan off, so gonna have to switch that over too. And what it was this ribbon cable. It's pretty beat up. It's not really going to focus, is it? This ribbon cable is no good. Switch this over from my good PS2 Slim, and it's all good now. So I can probably just get a replacement cable. But well, it's coming onto red light. I haven't turned it on, but wasn't doing that before. So hopefully that's fixed. Hopefully there's no more problems with it. Got this PS2 Slim for like $5 New Zealand dollars. Obviously cost a bit more with the shipping. That's pretty much it. I checked this. That was all good. Voltage coming there. And then like fuses. Most of the fuses seemed to, I tested them. They're all good, but that's pretty much it.